Welcome to this quick guide on how to make a checklist in Google Docs. Before you start, make sure you have your document ready with all the items you want to include in a list. If this video helps you out today, please leave a like to support the channel. To begin organizing your items, click at the end of the text list and drag your mouse upward to highlight all the items you want to turn into checkboxes. Now that your text is fully highlighted, move your cursor up to the main toolbar. Click the checklist icon on the Google Docs toolbar to instantly convert your plain text into interactive boxes. Square checkboxes now appear directly to the left of each selected line item. You can test out your new checklist right away by clicking the checkbox next to any item. Click the checkbox next to apples to mark it as checked off your list. A check mark fills the box, and a clean strike-through effect is automatically applied to the completed word. You've successfully learned how to turn any standard text list into an interactive checklist. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.